Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call on Slack. Need a quick voice or video chat with your teammates? Slack makes calling super simple whether you're working remotely or managing a team. Now let's see how to start a call in Slack in just a few seconds. Let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to open Slack and select conversation. Now before you do that, you have to install the application. You can do that if you're using Android. You can download it from the Play Store or the App Store if you're using your phone, your iPhone. Now I already installed this application. We're gonna go to the home page. Now after you do that, go to any direct message or private channel with one other person. Now click on the apps and here you'll see the messages and the conversations with other teammates and people you've contacted. As you can see, I don't have anyone here. So the next step, I'll say it verbally and follow my instructions and you'll be able to call. Now at the top of the chat window, once you click on the chat, click on the phone icon. And Slack will immediately start a voice call, just like any apps like Instagram, like WhatsApp. It's the exact same thing. Third step is to turn on video. If you want to make a video call, once the call starts, click on the camera icon to switch to a video call. You can also add people. In Slack huddles, you can add more people for group audio discussions. And the fifth step is to end the call. If you want to end the call, just click on the red phone icon to hang up when you're done, just like any call-in app. And this was it. You just made a Slack call. Make sure your microphone and camera permissions are enabled and use huddles for fast, informal chats and regular calls for scheduled meetings. Calling on Slack is a quick and easy way to stay connected with your team. Whether it's work updates or brainstorming, you're only a click away from real-time voice and video. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.